turntables, lazy Susans, revolving trays. Whatever you call them, they are a professional organizer's favorite secret gem. In this video, I'm going to show you all of my favorite turntables, how I use them, and the obvious place where you can find them in the Container Store. All of the turntables are kind of clumped together, which makes it amazing when you are shopping for the best turntable for your space. Now, there is a wide variety of turntables, and I use them for different purposes. We're going to start with the large one. I love this one for under the sink if you don't have the pipes and the garbage disposal like right in the middle. It works really well for holding all of your dish soap and cleaning supplies, and because it's so wide, you can fit a lot of things on this one. The smaller Lazy Susans work really well in cabinets because of their depth, and I like putting oils or spices or even canned goods on these so that they don't get lost in the back. Now, this has been one of my new favorites, the turntable with the lip. I really like it because then you aren't pulling things off and things aren't falling down because of the lip. The divided turntable, again, is another one of my favorites. I love using it for storing bars or other little snacks in the pantry for my clients, for myself. Also using it for art supplies. I think it's perfect for little kids because each section can be their own type of art supply. Another favorite are the grippy turntables. These make excellent options for under the sink if the big one doesn't work, or if you're using things like canned goods or oils that are a little bit slippery. The difference between the two, this one has a small lip and this one is grippy. So again, you really have to go based on your space and what you're using them for, and then decide which one would work best for you. Finally, my favorites for on the counter are these decorative bamboo. I love them for holding oils, salt and pepper, all the things that you like to keep out on your counter but you don't want them taking over. So just keep them on this beautiful bamboo and you can just spin it and all your stuff is right there. We are in my kid's bathroom about to get everything under the sink organized using some of my favorite products from the Container Store. Turntables. I love using turntables under the sink because things don't get pushed all the way back. It's really easy just to spin it and find exactly what you need. All of these were found in the kitchen section, which is a great spot to look, but you don't always think like, ooh, bathroom, kitchen. They don't totally go together. But these things are all together in the same aisle. So start by grabbing all of your supplies. We have dog stuff, this is still dog stuff, hair stuff, and I think that's pretty much all we have under here. I'm going to use the divided turntable for all of my daughter's hair stuff. Now for all of our pet supplies, I'm going to use this turntable. This one has a little bit of a lip, and I like that when you have like bigger and smaller size sprays. It just keeps everything combined, and then you aren't wasting space like you would with the divided turntable. Now we're in my kitchen, under my sink, and we are going to use the giant OXO turntable to organize this mess under here. So you can see we have our garbage disposal and some plumbing, but we also want to hold on to, cleaners, dishwasher, soap, and all of those other things. So to make them accessible, we're going to remove everything and then stick it on the giant turntable. Okay, now it's all clean. I'm gonna put this on this side. And you can see that because of the lip, anything that goes here is gonna be totally fine. So you can even push it over to the side and it still is fine based on where the garbage disposal is. If you have a garbage disposal over on this side and then the pipes are over here, use the smaller size OXO. It works great. Just make sure you have clearance for items so that they can spin. I just gave myself so much more room by using this large turntable. I stored like items back like grocery style. So when this one's done, boom, pull out the next one and I don't have to search for it. Another one of my favorite ways to use Lazy Susans is in the refrigerator. Now, this only works if you have a wider fridge. Some fridges, like side-by-sides, can get kind of narrow, so this might not totally work in all fridge situations, but if you do have a wider fridge, then this is an amazing option for you for things like condiments, because everything that goes on the door fluctuates in temperature. It opens, it closes, opens, closes, so the temperature fluctuates. So those things really should be drinks, minimal condiments, and like butters are completely fine on the door, but there are other things that really, if it says refrigerate after opening, you really want to keep in your refrigerator so that the temperature doesn't fluctuate so much and the likelihood of it getting moldy or gross quicker is increased by the fluctuation of temperature. I'm going to start by placing my turntable on the shelf. I'm going to keep it to one side, that way I still have storage on the other side, and then I'm going to fill the turntable with the items that I don't really want to fluctuate in temperature. Ta-da! Look at that. Perfect storage for those condiments that I don't want to keep on the door. Plus, I have all this space over here to store other food items that I might want. Remember my handy art cart? Well, a turntable, the small divided one, totally fits on my art cart, and it makes a great tool for organizing kids' supplies. So what we're going to do, we're going to take glue, look at that, and then we have daughters, and all those things together. The small Bliss acrylic canisters also fit perfectly on the turntable as well, making it a fun thing for the kids. And if you have a group of kids over and you don't really want them playing with all the stuff in the art cart, throw it in a turntable in the middle of the table, and then they have access to just the things you want. Nobody's reaching over the table or fighting. It's all right here in front of them, and all they have to do is just turn it so that they can get whatever they need. Now run to the Container Store in the kitchen section and grab all of the turntables that you could possibly need. Now, watch the next video. Joni and Kit from Practically Perfect are going to show you their tricks for using turntables around your house. You don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.